Hey there, folks. Greg Shepard here, S&A Financial Services. I specialize in helping you good folks out there all over the country just simplify those oftentimes confusing TIAA accounts. Okay, today's topic, depending upon time here, I might cover a couple things, but the one thing, the underlying issue on tackle here is a lot of, well, I don't want to be dramatic. Some of you have reached out to me asking the same question kind of in various ways, right? And the question goes something like this. Does my TIAA traditional lifetime income annuity option, so income payment made to me, to you, the participant, does that count towards my RMD? Very simply, the answer is yes. Okay, the answer is yes. It does count towards your RMD. Diverting from the topic a little bit. Okay, fixed period payments. Okay, I wasn't going to get into this, but here I go. Fixed period payments, folks, are different than lifetime income annuity option or that 10-year TPA. Fixed period payments are something different. So, folks, if you're one thing I've seen folks get tripped up on, if you're close to that RMD age and you initiate a fixed period payment paid towards like an IRA, which is a very popular strategy to initiate, once you hit RMD age, folks, that payment is going to be flipped around and sent to you for RMD purposes. So the way this can back up on you, if you have, just think about this, if you have hundreds of thousands of dollars that are initiating the RMD somewhere else, or you have a pension or a lot of money coming towards you for taxable income purposes, and all of a sudden you got this fixed period payment you were shooting over to the IRA, and now it's coming to you as taxable income. All of a sudden you found yourself with a lot of taxable income, right? More than you wanted to begin with for tax purposes. Not the end of the world. It's a good problem to have, but a lot of folks don't want to pay all those taxes on that income. So if you have a fixed period payment and that fixed period payment's not going to exhaust prior to your RMD age, let's see here. What do we got? Call TIAA. Contact me. My contact's information below. I should be able to help you out. Okay, but I wanted to emphasize RMDs do count when you start taking that lifetime income annuity option payment to you for you as income. Now, something else top of mind here that I'm coming across a little bit here now and again. A lot of you folks out there that, let me give you an example here. Let me set the table. So I just onboarded a client last week. So this is a good example. She has like 7 or 8 different legacy contracts, meaning ex-employers, right, that are illiquid contracts invested in TI traditional. She has like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 in each of these contracts, of which each of them are paying high threes, 4%. So she should have dealt with this a long time ago, but that's beside the point, right? So we're having to deal with it now. It's kind of a logistical headache to initiate TPAs. And this is only for those that are not going to opt for lifetime income annuity option. We've got to initiate TPAs on like 7 or 8 different contracts. And she has an IRA as well in TI traditional from a long time ago, getting like 3.9%. Okay, now with today's environment, money markets north of 5%, bond interest 6, 7, 8, 9%. This is not investment advice, nor will this stay like this forever. For those of you watching in the future, we can do better than 3s or 4% on the TI traditional. Different strategies you can initiate to move that forward and move it along quicker than doing it at retirement. Like if she would have initiated these TPAs years ago, we wouldn't have to deal with it now. So what I'm getting at, a lot of you folks will have these little-ish accounts, defined by you, little, legacy contracts, or even current contracts, maybe old contracts, like an RA, now they morphed into an RC, that had these smaller dollar amounts that aren't earning very much. Let's do something about that, okay? Let's keep on top of this so we don't have to go through the TIAA obstacle course when you're looking to retire, okay? It's just a lot of moving parts. So let's try to simplify lives and deal with these smaller contracts now, okay? That's it. That's my PSA. I really wanted to hit home on the RMDs, lifetime income annuity payments. Yes, it does count towards RMDs. All right, folks, Greg Shepard here, S&A Financial Services. Hey, go out and have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.